Magoosh Review. App. The pros, the cons. If you're preparing for exams like the GRE, GMAT or TOEFL, the Magoosh app promises to make studying more efficient, but is it really worth your time and money? One of the biggest pros is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming all study apps are rigid. Magoosh allows you to study anytime, anywhere with a clear, organized structure of lessons and practice questions. The app adapts to your pace, letting you review weak areas while tracking progress over time. Another advantage is the quality of content. The lessons are concise, engaging, and delivered by expert instructors. For example, the GRE Vocabulary Builder gives contextual examples rather than rote memorization, making retention easier. Detailed explanations for practice questions help you understand not just the right answer, but why other choices are wrong. However, there are cons. Some users report that the app can feel repetitive after extended use and offline access is limited, which can be inconvenient for those traveling without stable internet. While the app covers most exam topics, it may not fully replace in-depth textbooks for advanced learners. In conclusion, the Magoosh app is a strong tool for structured, flexible test prep. The surprising truth is that while it's excellent for review and practice, the best results come from combining it with other resources and consistent study habits. If you want a portable, high-quality study platform that tracks your progress and helps you focus on weak areas, Magoosh is worth trying. With consistent use, it can boost confidence and improve your test performance.